In this video, I want to show you a platform that will help you do affiliate marketing and earn money in dollars. And this platform will basically replace ClickBank for you. If you're watching this video, you probably tried to join ClickBank and they turned you down. It's not surprising. It is not a you thing. ClickBank doesn't like Nigerians. We don't like them too. So in this video, I want to show you a clean alternative that will allow you earn affiliate commission. So you want to earn money in dollars, you don't have a website, you don't have a capital, and basically you want to start affiliate marketing. So this video is going to cover all of that. And if you have any questions, you ask me in the comment sections. I like questions and I'm going to answer your questions. So the first thing we need to do is you want to go to Google. I already have an account, but I'm just going to try to make another account. So you come here, you search for NutriProfits.com. So this website is the affiliate marketing option or the affiliate marketplace that we are going to use as an alternative to ClickBank. So this website, the reason why I like this website is that it's completely free to join. You do not even need to have a website. You do not need traffic. You do not need anything. You can basically join this website, and they've been around for a while and they have good offers with very high affiliate commission. So what you want to do here is just come here, click on sign up, and we want to sign up into the affiliate marketplace. So I'm just going to create an account already. As you can see, I already have an account, but I'm just going to create another account just so you see how this is done. So you need to put a username. So I'm just going to come here and say this is going to be my username. I'm going to attach an email address. So make sure to put an email address that you can access and use for the future. So after that, you want to put a password. Of course, this has to be a password that you can remember. So I'm just going to create a password for this. And you want to confirm this password. So again, make sure that this is a password that you will remember. So after this, we want to proceed. So he said, have you ever made any money from affiliate marketing? You can say yes or no, but I'm just going to say yes because I have. In most cases, just say yes. All right, because sometimes this platform, they want experienced people. They don't want beginners who are going to take a lot of time to learn. So you can just say yes, and they ask you how much have you made. You can say you've made somewhere around, have you made more than $100,000? You can say yes or no. So I've not really made more than $100,000 from affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to say no. So they say, are you your communication type? You can use Telegram or WhatsApp. If you use WhatsApp, you need to provide your WhatsApp number, and then you agree to the terms here. All right. And then you can say, I am not a robot. And then you can create the account after you've passed the captcha. So I need to pass this captcha. Think that should do. So you need to provide a WhatsApp number so that they can use to verify you. Or you can come back here and provide a Telegram number or a Skype ID. So anyone that is fine for you, you use. So I already used my WhatsApp, so I cannot use this again. So I'm just going to stop this part of the video right here, but it's completely straightforward. After this, you will be logged into the, your account will be created, and you get a password and you can log into your account. So let me go to my main account now. And if you come to this interface, this is basically how it is going to appear. So this is where you find all your unique clicks. This is where you find the sales. This is the conversion rate, and this is the payout amount, how much you are going to pay. So if you come down here, you see your account manager. You have an account manager, and you can message them when you have any issues. So this is their email, this is their Skype, and this is their Telegram. So here you find all the latest offers. So ordinarily I promote more of softwares. That's why I use Impact the more. But this this platform here is like the direct representation or the direct alternative to ClickBank. So they have a lot of health related products, and that's why the name here says NutriProfits. So they do more of health related products, and you can see different kind of affiliate product around this. So these are the latest offers. If you come here, you can see this is a unique urinary tract support. This is for people, this product caters for personal problems. This is appetite stuff, joint health, eye health, weight loss, blah blah blah. So you get all these kind of products right here. Now if you come to offers, this is where you find the entire offers, all the products that they have on this platform. So one of the things I like about this platform is that the interface is very clean, and I have not really dedicated a lot of time into promoting offers from this product because I am not really in the health niche. All right, so one important thing about affiliate marketing is that you have to decide a niche where you want to be in. So I am not really in the health niche. That's why I do not use this platform a lot. So as you can see here, I have a total of 0.0% unpaid commission. So if you come to the offers, you can search the offer by name. So you can search it by the category. Let's say we want, let's say something in the snoring. So we can select for snoring, and then we can select the country. Let's say all of our traffic are coming from the US, or is coming from the US. I want to target only offers that cover the US. You can just come here, click on apply. We want to see offers that cover products around snoring that covers the US. So we have this one that says Snoran Plus. All right, and this is the commission they are going to pay us. We are going to earn 30% commission for every offer that we sell, and the 30% is equals to $24. So we are going to come back to how you can get your link and all of that. I just wanted to show you a brief way how you can find the product. But if you come here, this is where you find all your reports. You find all the traffic sources, the chargebacks, the payment devices, the tags, and all of that. If you come to payout, this is where you see all your payout amounts. If you come to bonuses, this is where you find all your bonuses. All right, this is where you find all your bonuses. If you have issues and you contested them, this is where you find them. And these are the other tools that you can use to these are the other tools that they have. Now let's talk about the payment option, because payment is a big deal for Nigerians, especially if you don't have PayPal or other things. And one good thing about this website is that they have a very good payout method for Nigerians or Africans. So if you come to the payout method here, this is the payout limit. So you must earn $100 before they pay you, and then you can do bank transfer. So if you have GeekPay, if you have Gray, if you have Clever, you can basically use them to receive this account, this money from this website. So you can come here, put your name, put your beneficiary address, your bank code, the city, the bank country. So if you are going to be using Gray and GeekPay and the rest, the bank country is going to be the United States. So you want to select the United States right here, and then you can include all those information. So this is the bank country. You can equally make sure to change it to the United States. All right. So after that, you can just save your payout, and this is where they will send your money to. Now let's go to the main thing, which is the offers. All right. The offers is where you actually become an affiliate, and then you can join affiliate offers. And another good thing with this website is that unlike impact.com, you do not need to individually apply to the product. So you can basically apply to any of the products you find here, and then you can just instantly start promoting them. But before then, you see the countries right here. So what this means is that these businesses or these products, they will track orders that come from this country. So if you have traffic that doesn't come from this country, you are not going to earn the commission. For instance, let's say your traffic source is completely Nigerians, and then you get orders on this, you are not going to be paid because they do not ship to Nigeria. All right. So let's just look at this one here. We can come here, want to click on the details, and this is the commission and the average commission. So the commission is 30%. The average amount you earn is $27. So I want to click on details, and this is basically how you get your affiliate link. So before then, you want to see the products that you are promoting, and this is the product. This is basically a supplement. It's a dietary supplement, and it just gives you an overview of this product. All right, so here it says we guarantee a high commission for each sale. So this is a commission, this is a conversion rate for this product. And the good thing is it has a lifetime cookie, which means when people click on your product or your links, they have an entire lifetime to make this purchase, and it will count as a sell for you. So other platforms or other affiliate offers, some of them they do 30 days, some do 90 days, some do 60 days and all of that. But this one is a lifetime cookie, so you can promote this forever and ever. And now the page, this is the geolocation page, and what this means is that this link will automatically track from all parts of the world. However, if you want links by country, this is another good thing about this website. If you want links by country, all of them still earn you 30%. But let's say you have you are in Australia, or you want to target Australia, this link will only work for the Australian market. All right, this link will also work for only Denmark. This is only for Germany, and this is for Italy. So let's say we copy this German link and then want to see what it looks like. So I want to go to an incognito tab, and then I want to paste it to see what the German link looks like. You will see that this link is going to appear in German. This is good because it's going to improve the conversion of this product. So that's why you have these different country links. So if you use the geo link, which means that's a global link, if you come right here and then you paste it, and you see that this is going to be in English, but I believe, or I think, that it's going to change depending on whoever clicks on it. But as you can see right here, this is the different countries or the languages, and this is the landing page or the sales page for this product. So it's very easy to get links from this place. Now if you come down here, you can actually post back your URL, and then they equally provide you images. You can also install a Facebook pixel on this to actually track what you are doing, and here they equally provide you image and product videos. So if you want to see the images, you can just click on this and then you can download the images. So the images are currently downloading right here. They equally have videos, and also you can look at the videos. You can click on download videos so that the videos will download. So these materials you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So we are going to talk about how to promote these offers shortly, but let's just look at the videos of what we have. So let me just open this. So right here, these are the product pictures that you have, and as you can see, these are very professional photos. And a good thing is that they actually make these photos in two ways. They have the professional, and then they have the amateur kind of photos that you can use. So this is how you get the product materials that you can use to affiliate. Now let's talk about how to join other offers, or how to find them by their categories. So all you have to do is come here, click on the offers, and you can scroll down. So here they have more of health products or nutritional products, supplements, and all of that. So this one is called African Mango, and is weight loss. So as you can see, you earn up to 47%, 22%, $22, $47, $23, $33, and a whole lot of them. So you can find multiple offers here, and let's talk about how you can promote this product. So let's say we want to look at this iVita Plus. So let's click on iVita Plus. This is it right here. So I copy it, I copy the name. Again, you already know how to generate the links. This one, you can see they target even more countries. They target Malaysia, Norway, Poland, Spain, United States, and all of that. So let's say I want to go to let's go back to incognito window. So one of the easiest ways to market these things or to promote these things is on YouTube, and that's why I want to show you how this is done and how a few persons are doing this right now. So if you want me to make a full video on how to do this kind of videos on YouTube, then subscribe and tell me in the comment section, tell me to make this video for you, and I'm going to make this video for you. So you can see that people already search for this. You can see iVita Plus review, iVita Plus review. Does it really work? All right. So you can see that people are already searching for things like that, which means that this product has some level of popularity or interest. But let me show you how people actually market this thing. So as you can see, this is one video that was done by somebody just 1 month ago. It has 34 views. This one was done 6 months ago. It has 105 views. This one was done 8 months ago, 44 views and all of that. Now you might be wondering, these stuffs, they don't even get a lot of views, and you are right, but this is actually by a Nigerian. As you can see, iVita Plus, for him, I don't think he's put a lot of effort into making this video. But the way this works is, this kind of searches, they are buyer oriented. So people, these 105 is based on the interest of the searcher, which means whoever is searching for this is interested in it. So the conversion for videos like this is much higher than when you get videos with even 100,000 views. So let me just show you how this video was made. So I'm just going to click on that, and let me just show you how simple this video is. So I'm just going to skip this advert here, and I'm going to turn off the volume of this. So let's play this. So as you can see, this video right here, you can see the search is going up and up, which means that it has 5 likes, and this is what they've done. So if you click on this link now, it's going to take you to the affiliate link we just came out of, and this is one way that you can promote this product. So remember, iVita Plus, this shows you that this is an affiliate link, and this is where it's going to bring us back to our own affiliate link. So this is one way that they use to promote products like this. So again, as you can see, this video is a faceless, easy to make video, and this person just makes this video and this video is just less than 3 minutes. So I'm trying not to play this video in full so that YouTube doesn't copy strike my own video. So that's why I'm trying to just go through it. But as you can see, this video is basically a faceless video. So this is how you can use this platform called NutriProfits as an alternative to ClickBank, especially if you're a Nigerian, you're an African, you are looking for a free and easy affiliate marketing place that does not require you to own a website, to have traffic and all of that. Then you can basically come and join this platform called NutriProfits. I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, please like the video, subscribe, ask me questions, and I'll see you in my next videos. My name is Good Noel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.